Hi everyone, next time that you're at Dollar Tree, go ahead and grab a couple of these round glass bowls. I'm going to show you a Christmas DIY that is going to blow your mind.
I'll be using this Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra Cover Matte Clear Finish.
For this project, you're going to need two of the hat ornaments, and Dollar Tree usually has them, and you probably have some in your stash. I know that I do, so I'm going to be using this pattern here and also this red one here. Dollar Tree carries two sizes of these bowls, so I'll use two of the bigger ones and also two of the smaller ones.
And two of these LED push lights, some diamond wrap, and some of this leftover material that I had, some silver snowflake stickers, and some Fix-All adhesive. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint the bowls. Now I'm going to use this matte clear finish. I tested it out on this vase
and it gave me the frosted look that I was looking for.
So I'm going to take my bowls outside and spray them, and then once they're dry, I'll bring them back inside and I'll continue with the project. Okay, so the finish on my bowls are dry already and they do have that frosty look to them. Now I'm going to start drawing the face on the smaller bowl, because the larger one is going to be the body of the snowman and the smaller one is going to be the head. So with my black marker, I made the eyes, and then I also made the smile, and with the red marker, I added the nose. And for Miss Snowman, I added some lashes to her and also some blush. You can also use some paint, but I thought it would just be easier to use the markers. Okay, so now that I've drawn on the face, I'm going to put some Fix-All on the bottom rim, and I'm also going to add some hot glue and then just put the smaller bowl on top of the larger bowl. Okay, so now I'm going to put the little hat on the snowman, but first I'm going to remove the little holder that it has on top of the ornament, and all I'm going to do is just pull it out. Because you can see a white spot where the holder was, I'm going to go ahead and take my black marker and just color it in there just to hide it. Okay, so now I'm ready to hot glue the hat on top of the snowman's head. I'll be following the same steps to Mrs. Snowman. And this is what he looks like with his hat on. Okay, so next I'm going to add this piece of cloth that I cut out and put it around the neck of Mr. Snowman. And here is Mr. Snowman. He looks absolutely adorable. And for Miss Snowman, I'm going to go ahead and use this diamond wrap, and I'm going to do the same thing, just wrap it around her neck, but I am going to hot glue the two ends of the diamond wrap. And this is how Ms. Snowman looks. Next, I added the snowflakes to the bottom base of the snowman just so they could look like they were buttons, and I did that to Miss Snowman and also Mr. Snowman. The stickers do have that sticky pad on them, but if you want them to have a more permanent hold, you can use some super glue or also some hot glue.
I love how these snowmen turned out. Please let me know what you think.
I apologize. I did not show you when I slipped the LED light underneath each body of the snowman. But basically all I did was just add the batteries to the LED lights and then turn them on and then slip them underneath the body of each of the snowmen. And that's why they have that glow and they're lighted up because of the LED lights. That is it for this DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So until then, bye-bye and God bless.